today I'm here to show you about how I organize my paperwork. I actually keep minimal paperwork, which is not how I used to do in the past. I used to keep everything. I worked in offices. I have always filed and done I've kept up with bills, and I've basically been an office manager in 2 separate small offices where I ran the payroll system. I paid bills, I accepted payments, I kept track of clients and customers and the company's equipment, just anything that was part of the company I kept up with. So I'm excellent at keeping up with paperwork. However, since I've had children, I've gotten a little bit relaxed, and I don't keep up with as much as I used to, because I've learned, you don't have to keep up with everything. And especially in today's technology, we have so much that we can fall back on. We get stuff emailed to us. We can call a company and they keep up, they keep up with a lot of this stuff. So I tend to keep it more minimal, but I did want to share today with you how I keep my, I call it my life notebook, but I'm also going to be redoing my files that I have. This used to be in a filing cabinet, and then I bought it back in January when we were redoing our laundry room, with the intention of getting rid of the filing cabinet and putting files in this box to kind of, make more room, make more space. We did not get rid of the filing cabinet. We still have it, but I still kept the box because I thought it would come in useful. And I actually think today I'm going to transfer the contents of my life notebook to this little file box, because I kind of think that it would be a good change. So anyways, that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, here's my box. Also, I have a cute little assistant. Hey, Jake. I don't know what he's doing. He woke up from his nap. So anyways, I haven't done anything with this in a while. See, MSU 2008. I just went ahead and took all of these files out of the filing cabinet that they were in. And then I have these because look, okay. Let me show you what I use these for. Over here, I don't mail a lot of my payments in, but I do have to mail in my water thing. So I learned this trick working in the office. I just went ahead and I bought labels, and I know I'm gonna send one of these every month. So I went ahead and printed the whole thing out. So every month I just have to come here, flip open, and normally I have envelopes in here, but they're somewhere else right now. I gotta find them. But I do that that way I just go ahead and stick it on there, and I don't have to worry about remembering the address. So anyways, I'm just going to take some time to go through this and clean it out. See, look, this my little baby. Vacation Bible School, oh, so sweet. I want to say that was 2 years ago. But anyways, I want to go ahead and take all of this stuff out and empty this out so I can take everything that I just did in my notebook. I just redid my notebook, by the way, but I think using this little box will be much easier. So here we go. So I keep talking about a life notebook, and that's just what I call it. I found I love using notebooks instead of file folders, which is kind of ironic because I'm like, hey, I'm taking all this stuff out, I'm going to put it in a file folder. But I really think that it'll work better for me this way. But look, you can see kind of have like a table of contents right here for all of my stuff. And all I'm going to do is, I think what I'm going to do is I might keep some of this stuff in here because I do like having a notebook and being able to open it. But keeping like this information, I don't think that's necessary for putting in a notebook. I think I can put those in little files and not really worry about it anymore. So yeah, let me get started on it. Okay, I have it all ready, kind of. I got it all out of the notebook except for like my budget and our like passwords. Please don't come around my house and take my passwords. Probably gonna move those now. But anyways, I did not have any more file folders because that's not my life anymore. But you know what I have is Post-it notes. So wanted to not spend money and I wanted to do what I had right here in the house. So I made little tabs with Post-it notes. And you can see it's my kids' stuff. So like, you know, that's that picture. And then look, Jesus loves Finley with his hands. So I want to put stuff there. And I know as they get older, I'll probably end up doing like those cute little boxes you see everywhere. See my shadow. But anyways, all of this stuff I have right here. Which is like, you know, I just used the Post-it and I just stuck it to the thing and it's just perfect. So now whenever I need something, I can just come to it and it's all right there and I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, that's my little bitty system. So there. Okay, so there you have it. There's my system with my papers and stuff like that. I would like to add, it's not tax season right now, so like we already did our taxes and we have that done, but I would probably put a folder in there for whenever we get like a W-2 or we get like our 1099. No, we don't have any 1099s, but were we to get a 1099, whatever, I would just, as soon as I would get it in the mail, I would go there and I would just put it in that place. That way I don't have to worry about it and I don't have to think about it. I just know where to put it. Having a system set up like this beforehand really helps you a lot because you don't have to think about what to do with each individual piece of mail that comes in to your house. You just have to like go get it, and when you sort through the mail, you go, oh, this has to do with my mortgage. I'm gonna go stick it in my mortgage folder. So it makes it really easy, and also it makes it super helpful if you have a spouse, you know, your husband. He's like, hey, where's the title to my trailer? Where's the title to my motorcycle? Where's, you know, where's our insurance cards? You know, that kind of thing. It's really helpful to be like, it's in the cube or it's in the little file box, babe. Just go get it. It's labeled. You'll see it. It's exactly where it should be. And it's just so helpful to have that. And when, like I said before, when you're going through mail, you know, you already know what to do with the stuff. So you're not having to make the decision every time you get something that has to do with your house, has to do with your car, has to do with anything that you own. You know what to do with it. And then if something comes along and you have to add another category, then you already have like your system set up. So you can just go ahead and just add that in and merge it in with your system that you already have. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to get organized in the first place. Was after I had kids, my mother and my mother-in-law would help, and they would like, oh my gosh, what if they came to my house and they couldn't, you know, my house was disorganized, they couldn't find anything. So putting systems in place and getting organized really helps a lot, and making life easier for you and for people and for you to accept help. So doing the work up front and getting organized will really make a big difference. I hate that I didn't really have, like, I'm already kind of organized. I hate I don't have any, like, a big box of paperwork to go through. I did. Maybe it'll pile up. I'm not perfect. I let paperwork pile up, and maybe I'll end up revamping my system or something like that. But that's just what I do. I like to keep it really simple. I don't keep a lot of stuff. If I can find something online, I don't keep it. Like my electric bill, or you know, I have a thing for our mortgage, but we actually get our mortgage statements online, and I don't print those because they keep them for a while. But those companies, those companies keep them. I can tell you, I worked for a company, they keep the paperwork, and if you owe them money, they will find the paperwork for you. You just have to do the work and give them a call. Yeah, I kind of went off on a tangent on that, but it's okay. It's kind of nice to know that if you've never worked in an office like that before, you don't know. So I don't keep anything I can find online. I used to keep like manuals in like this huge notebook, and it was wonderful. But you know what? Google will find those manuals for you too. So anyways, if you have any questions or you enjoyed this video or anything, just let me know. Leave a comment. And if you want to see any other organizing or decluttering things, give me some ideas. I'm always decluttering. I love it. I could talk about it all day. I wish I had like taken more videos when we were decluttering our house to begin with, because we are pretty sort of clutter free. We have kids, so you know, toys build up, life happens. But anyways, thank you. Bye.